Okay, everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Norbert, and in this video we are going to show how to open a Charles Schwab account. So this is a step-by-step tutorial, and the operation will be very easy. So let's go on how to do it. For first, I would like to introduce the Charles Schwab for short. So this is a company that's around long time. So it was set up in 1971. So it has been going more than half a century. All right, and it's the top brokerage company in the whole world. So that's why we want to open this account. Okay, okay. Before we start to set up the account, we need to find the international websites. So if you get search it in the Google search engine, you will find maybe you will find the US one. So you're better if you are not US citizen, you're better register or open an international account. So if you want to do that, you just copy the link on this page to the web browser. Well, I would put this link on below this video, and you will find it in the comments area. So after you copy this link into the web browser, you will see this page. On the right corner, you will find this button, this brown button, open an account. So we click it, and we will go to this page. On this page, we will notice that there is a button that's individual broker account. So we will find this and click it. Okay, we will come to this page. On this page, there is a green button. That means we're going to start to open our individual broker account. So we just click it and agree with this information. Well, on the next corner, you will notice that this is international. If there's no such symbol, you should do some more steps. And on this page, we're going to fill some personal details like our names and contact information. But you see, here there's no the international symbol. So if such situation happens, we need to find these words, the international site. So it's blue words. We just click it. And if you click it, you will come up to this page, and the language is better for you to select the English. And we will click the open an account menu. Okay, and before we go to the next step, we should be sure that we have prepared these documents like the tax ID number, a passport, and the recent utility bill, and the employer's name, and some other documents. Then we just scroll down the web page and find this area. Select country or region. There will be many choices, and just find the country where you are located. And then we select the account type as individual account. So we want to open an individual account. Okay, finally we will go to this page. But no matter which way you choose, finally we will go to this page. But the most important thing is that you should be sure that you choose the international type. Okay. And finally, we will choose the citizenship. That is the country where you're from, and your birth date, and email or address. So email address, you better fill in the Gmail or Outlook email address, okay, and your phone number. Then click continue. On this page, you should fill in your passport number. You better use the passport to set up your account. Okay, if you use other documents like the government ID, there will be much more complicated, or you will come across some worse situations. So the best way for us to open this account, we would better use the passport. Okay, and you just fill in this information, then click continue. Okay, at this step, you need to verify your email address. There are three options like the text, the call, and the email. You only will use the email. This will be much more convenient, so we just click this. And then you will log into your email address and check the information there. Copy the access code to this box and then click continue. Okay, on this page there will be some important information you need to remember. For first, you need to set up your login ID. This is this is the name you define yourself. So you have to remember this, because for every time you log into the Charles Schwab account, you need to fill in this name, okay, and then set up your password. For this selection, also you need to remember it clearly. You just select one question and you provide the answer, both the question and the answer you should remember very clearly. And then you need to fill some information about where you live, so that is the residence address. Fill them. It should from the door number and the street and the district, the city and the state or province, and finally the country. Okay, in that way. Okay, on this page, the Charles Schwab asked us why are you opening this account. We just select the general purpose. It will be okay. If you select some other options, Charles Schwab would ask you to provide some more information or documents, so it would be much more complicated. So we just select the first one. Would be better. And for this part, Charles Schwab asks you what are the sources of funds for your brokerage account. Usually we would just select the first one, so it's salary, wages, or savings. Well, if you select some other options like the family, relatives, or inheritance, that I recommend you not to do this, because if you select these options, the Charles Schwab would ask you to provide some other documents to support you to prove these options. So it's much more complicated. Alright. After that, we click the continue button. Okay, for this page we need to fill out the employment status. The most key point is that you should select this option. That means you are employed by some company or institutions. If you select self-employed, of course you can do that, but you have to provide some documents to prove your situation. So don't do it. That's my advice and suggestions. You just select the employed status and fill in the company or institution where you are working at. And finally, click the continue. Okay, on this page, Charles Schwab will ask you, are you a member of the board of directors, or you are anyone with a beneficial interest in this account? Both of these three questions, we just click the low option. Don't select the yes, because if you select yes, you will come across some very difficult situation. Okay, we just click no, and continue. Okay, for this page, there's nothing more for us to do. We just click the continue. And for this page, you were going to select the trading features like the margin or option. We just select this margin and click yes. But for the option, I don't recommend anyone to select this, because there will be much more risk in that type of feature. So my advice is that we just use our cash to trade, because margin and option would be more risk there. So I just click no and click continue. Okay, finally you need to review your information and check them, the details, all the details. After that, you click the continue since you confirm all the information. For this page, there are many terms and conditions. You just open them one by one and click the box. Means that so you agree all the terms. Alright. Since you are going to open this account, you have to agree to all the terms. And then we like this. It's a black box and tick it, and then click the continue button. Finally, you have to upload your passport and proof of residence. The residence could be the bank statement or the utility bills. So it's simple. Finally, click the continue button. Okay. At this point, you would get the information that your application is currently being reviewed, and you can click the complete form. Before you fill the form, you have to log into it. So this login ID is the name and we ever fill. So remember them and put it and type them in here and log into the Charles Schwab. We log into your account. Go to the right corner and click the profile. Find the first option in the menus and click the security setting. Well, when we go to this page and this board, find the two-step verification and click it, and on the right side, click the always and add login. That means when you log in for the next time, you need to follow the two-step verification, because this operation would make your account much more safer, and select the security token. And then you need to download this app onto your mobile phone. Okay, and after you download that, you open that app. You will find these two digits. Copy the first line into this line. The left side is the CHARLES Schwab page, and the right side is the app on your mobile phone. So this app, VIP access, you'll find it and open it. Copy the first line into this credential ID box and create and copy the 6 figures into this security code. Okay. After that, it will be okay for your account, and you can use your account to buy the stocks or other securities. Well, if you have other problems when you log into your account, you can call the service. So you can find this page, but you need to select the country or regions where you are. If you select the country's or region, you will find that there will be a number. So this number is a person to service you. Use your language, so it will be much more convenient. All right. Okay, and this is the tutorial for CHARLES Schwab on account opening. And if you cannot log in, you can contact the service. And for the next video, we are going to show you how to fill out the W8 BEM form. Because this is very long process, so I would like to put it in another video. So if you like my video, you can follow me and subscribe my channel, and we will see you next time. Okay, so see you.